What is Facebook remarketing? Hey there, folks. Let's now talk about the main topic of this video training series. Let's talk about a paid advertising strategy so effective that you will wonder why you haven't heard about it before. Do you think it is unfair to pay top dollar on advertising to reach leads that will click through your ads and then land on your website without taking action, leaving soon after? Do you think that it is unfair that those unconverted leads will possibly forget that they were on your site a few minutes later? The harsh truth is that the majority of leads that you reach with ads will not convert. In fact, about only 5% of leads end up converting. But what if we told you that there is a way to re-engage those lost leads, even when they were seemingly uninterested in your business? Let's talk about remarketing and about why Facebook is the perfect remarketing platform. First, what is remarketing? Remarketing is an online marketing method that advertisers employ in order to stay relevant to bounce traffic and non-converting leads. As a paid advertising strategy, it will allow you to reach out to leads long after they've clicked through your ads or visited your website. Remarketing works by following the steps of your potential customers across the internet. All you have to do is to insert a code provided by your remarketing network on your website that saves a tracking cookie on your visitors' browsers, which then tracks visitors and shows them adverts wherever they go. The secret behind remarketing's efficiency as an advertising strategy is in how it can help you to re-engage leads that have shown interest in your business, not only by clicking on your ads, but also by visiting your site while browsing organically. That is why remarketing is used by many online marketers as a complementary advertising strategy, as it allows them to send people to the business website that they are promoting through ad units and then to retarget those same users through retargeting ads. What makes Facebook the perfect remarketing platform? As you might already know, Facebook is one of the most effective advertising platforms around, and one that is often preferred by agencies and professional marketers, thanks to its cost effectiveness, its wide ad inventory, and because of its 2 billion active monthly users. And it so happens that one of the most lauded features of the Facebook advertising platform is Facebook remarketing, which offers advertisers better audience targeting options than any other remarketing platform. That is because the Facebook remarketing platform allows advertisers to set up custom audiences that go beyond website visitors. With Facebook remarketing, you will be able to retarget existing customers, Facebook app users, and in-store customers. One of the advantages of the Facebook remarketing platform is that it relies on pixel codes instead of tracking cookies, making up for more accurate remarketing campaigns. Want to know how else your business can benefit from Facebook remarketing? Tune in to the following video to find out.